Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of the 2025 Range Rover Sport, a vehicle that blends British elegance with powerful performance and cutting-edge tech. If you're looking for a ride that turns heads while offering a thrilling drive and a plush interior, this might just be your dream SUV. The 2025 Range Rover Sport doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it refines everything we love about the lineup. From the outside, it's sleek, sculpted, and unmistakably Range Rover. The grille is now slightly more streamlined, flanked by ultra-slim pixel-LED headlights. The body lines are cleaner, more minimalist, but still muscular enough to hint at the beast that lies underneath. It's luxury with attitude, and it shows from every angle. Under the hood, Land Rover gives you options. The base model comes with a 3.0-liter mild hybrid inline-6 engine, pushing out around 395 horsepower. But if you're the kind who likes power at your feet, the plug-in hybrid model, the P550e, combines electric torque with a turbocharged 6-cylinder for a whopping 542 horsepower, 0 to 60, just over 4 seconds. That's sports car territory in a luxury SUV. Oh, and for those who want to go all out, there's still the Range Rover Sport SV, packing a BMW-sourced 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8. Yeah, it's loud, it's fast, and it's a monster on the road. The Range Rover Sport isn't just about power, it's about how it feels to drive. Adaptive air suspension, torque vectoring, and all-wheel steering make this big SUV feel surprisingly agile. Whether you're carving mountain roads or cruising the highway, it delivers a ride that's smooth, responsive, and seriously refined. Step inside, and you're met with a cabin that screams premium. We're talking soft leathers, brushed metals, and sustainable materials that don't sacrifice luxury. The cockpit is clean and modern, anchored by a massive 13.1-inch curved touchscreen running Land Rover's latest Pivi Pro system. It's sharp, quick, and finally feels like it belongs in 2025. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are wireless, of course, and there's even a built-in Alexa voice assistant. Add the 29-speaker Meridian sound system, and you've got a concert hall on wheels. But it's not just tech and toys. The 2025 Range Rover Sport is packed with driver assistance features like adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, and a 3D surround camera that makes parking a breeze despite the SUV's size. Off-road, it's still got that Land Rover DNA with terrain response to hill descent control, and a wading depth of nearly 3 feet. So whether you're downtown or deep in the wilderness, this thing can handle it. Pricing starts around $85,000, but depending on your trim and options, it can easily climb past 6 figures. Still, for what you get, a blend of luxury, performance, and true off-road capability, it's hard to beat. That's a wrap on the 2025 Range Rover Sport. Let us know what you think in the comments. Is this the king of luxury SUVs, or would you pick something else? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another episode of Rolling Legends. Catch you in the next one.